Welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about table layouts. So we've been talking about linear layout, we talked about relative layout, and now we're going to talk about table layout. Table layout arranges its children into rows and columns. Okay, so let's go ahead and start putting things together so you can take a look. As you can see here in our palette, we have our layouts. So let's go to table layout, just drag that one and drop. If we go to text here, you'll see our table layout has been created. And you notice our table layout has the start and the end tags here, which means we can put anything we want inside of this table layout here. But usually with table layout you want to use table rows, although you can put anything you want. As I previously said, the table row is a row that goes along with the table layout. So to create a table row, it's very simple. Just go table row and enter. As you can see, it's a container as well, and we can set properties to our table row container. So let's go Android. Let's set layout width first. Let's say we want it to be 90 dp, and Android layout height, let's say we want it to be 20 dp. Why not? And let's set a color too. So Android background, let's go pound. Let's start with FF. Okay, let's save that. If we go back to our design here, you see our table layout, and there is nothing in there. Nothing is showing. That's because we just created the table row and the background. But let's go ahead and put something there so that it starts showing. Let's put a text view. Text view, let's say we want to say Android layout width to be wrap content, and Android layout height, let's make it 20 dp, and Android text, let's give it something for now. Let's say name. Save that, go here, and there it is. We see a text here, text view. Now we notice also that our name is really to the left here. Let's give it a little bit of padding. So we can go here, so Android padding right. Let's give it padding right of 20 dp. Okay, let's give a padding left. Android padding left. Let's give it a 10 dp. And there it is. You can see now the padding right we put here, it's gonna be noticeable once we start putting other text views in front of it. Let's go ahead and create another text view. Let's just copy this and paste here, and this one let's go change this to first name, and this one's going to be last name. Let's add another one here. I'm gonna have age. So this is going to be our header row here. Let's save that. Go here, let's see. Oh, there we go. First name, last name, age. Perfect. As you can see, everything is in the same row because we specified here this table row here. Let's add another row which will go below here. Let's go ahead and say then table row. Again, we can go ahead and say Android layout width to be 90 dp. Okay, so Android layout height to be wrap content, and let's give it a different background. So Android backgrounds, go pound. Let's give it a white. So now inside of our second table row, let's do the same. Let's copy all of these three items here, text views, copy, paste. Instead, now let's go ahead and put a few names. Let's say James, second Larry, 35. Save that. Go here, you see now we have below our first row James, Larry, and age 35. You can put as many rows as you wish to put, and they will always go below the other row. So the table layout, it's pretty handy because you can then create intricate UI views. You can create, as you can see here, let's say if you want to show, in this case, first name, last name, age, just like a spreadsheet, you can do so and create as many other rows below here. And as any view, you can specify all other properties, background colors, you can specify a lot of things. Let's go ahead and put another table row. Let's just copy this first one here, copy, and paste below here, and change this to 56, and this to, I'll save that. So notice there's another one here. Perfect. Now you learn about table layout and the table row and how to set things up and add text view, or you can also add other views inside. All right, good. See you in the next video.